Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at the unboxing video of the DETA 200mm ceiling exhaust fan, and we're going to see how loud it is to use. So let's take a look inside the box right here. Now you can purchase this fan for around $35. It is a small size fan, so ideally if you have a small area, then you can use this fan. Okay, so this is the inside of the box right here. Okay, so that's all this inside the box is a fan. It's also come with a grill. So this is a plastic grill right here. Okay, in this box there are also some instruction manual. So there are instruction menus right here, installation instructions, installation steps. It will show you how you can install the fan onto the ceiling, so you can do this yourself. However, you do need to get the electricians to come and install the power plug if you haven't got one yet. Okay, so that's that. This is a guide. So you use this cutting template. This will allow you to measure. You can see here, you can use this guide to cut the hole in the ceiling so that it would fit the fan in perfectly. So you can use this as a guide. Okay, for the fan itself, there is a grill right here. There is this plastic grill. It is plastic. The grill here has a lot of lines. Ideally, I do not like a lot of lines because it can be hard to clean up, but because if this one sit in your bathroom or a toilet, then it can be fairly easy to clean off the dust by simply using a little bit of soap or high pressure water hose to wash off the dust. So this is the fan right here. The most important about an exhaust fan is that it is quiet. If it's too noisy, it can becomes a disturbance and annoying to sit in a bathroom or in a toilet. So here we've got do-it-yourself, easy plug-in installation. It is high volume, 320 meter cubic per hour and extraction, and it's got high performance ball bearing motor. So let's plug it in, and we're going to test it out. Now at the back here there are two clips. As you can see, these clips here helps to allow you to maintain the fan in the ceiling. It will hold, once you push the clip out, it will allow the fan to hold against the ceiling. Seem to be missing one piece here. There's supposed to be 3 pieces, so I don't know why there is one missing right here. Okay, so I have turned it on, and it is actually quiet, not very loud as you can hear. I just put it in the microphone right next to it so you can hear. Now it is very quiet compared to the one that I currently have in my toilet. This is a lot quieter than the other one, some other one that is on the market. Okay, so there you go. That is the DETA ceiling exhaust fan. Highly recommended because of the quietness that it is. If you buy some other brand, you may experience loud noise in your toilet or your bathroom. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.